So friends, I hope you are enjoying your stay in Statisticians Hub. So I request you to kindly subscribe to our channel. Today's agenda is very simple and it's about how we can draw a bar chart and a clustered bar chart in IBM SPSS. So let's get started and let's see how we can do that. So we are in the SPSS package. In front of us we have a data set, and the data set, let us see how many values. There are 39 values. Let us understand the data set. So first column is the serial number. Second column consists of name of the individuals, which are obviously hidden, masked with some alphabets, and then we have gender represented as male and female, and then we have educational qualification of the individuals. So if you can see, we have three educational qualifications: business graduate, general graduate, and engineering graduate. So there are three on the entire database. There are only three educational qualifications. So first I want to draw a bar chart where I want to see the frequency of business graduates, general graduates, and engineering graduates. So let us go ahead with drawing the bar chart. So for drawing the graph, we go here. You can see in the menu there is graph. So we click on graphs. We come to the last one, legacy dialogues, and there is an option already, bar. So we click on this bar, and then we get some options, like we get the simple bar diagram, we get the clustered bar diagram, and we got the stacked bar diagram or bar chart. We are more accustomed to call it as a simple bar diagram. This one is a multiple bar diagram, and the third one is a subdivided bar diagram, but in SPSS the terminology is little bit different. So we go with the terminology of the SPSS, and first let us go to draw the simple bar diagram. So we click on this, we activate this, and then we go to click on define. Once we go on define, then we want to take which variable? We take the educational variable and put it in the categorical axis. And you remember there are three educational qualifications: engineering, general, and business. So we'll get the number of people who are having business graduates, number of people who are engineering graduate, and number of people who are general graduate. And this we don't select percentage, and we take n, the number of cases. So it should represent the number of cases, what we call as frequencies. And then we can go directly to OK. As soon as we go directly to OK, a new window appears, and this is the SPSS output window, and they present before you the bar diagram, which shows you the number of business graduates, number of engineering graduates, and number of general graduates. Now you may want to get some changes in the particular diagram. Like if you want to get some changes, like you want to see the value levels, that is the frequencies. You may want to change the color. So for that, what we need to do, we double click the diagram, double click on the diagram in the output window of SPSS, and a new window appears. It is called as the chart editor window. Here if you want value levels, you can just click here, then you will find that value levels appear. But along with that, another window appears which will actually help you to adjust the value levels. Like if you click on custom, then these three gets activated. Now if you click on these, the value levels will come at the bottom of the bar diagram. And then you click on apply, you see it comes to the bottom. If you want to see it at the top, then you may click here, and then you click apply, it goes to the top. If you want to manually shift it, that no, I want to manually shift it at some position as per my convenience, you can click on manual, and then you can click on apply, and then you can click and drag it, say it may go a little bit at the top. One by one you can draw this, click this, and then you take it to the top. If this one, suppose you want to keep it in the middle due to some reason, so you can do this, change. If you want to change the color of this, once again you double click, so we come here. Here you can change the color. So for that you need to click this, all the three bars get selected by a yellow small rectangle, and then we can change the color from here, like we want to have red, so we have red. If you want that, no, I want one as red, one is blue, another as green, then that also you can do. Like you click outside and then click in one of the bars. You see all the bars are getting selected, click it once again, and you keep on clicking till only one of them is selected. So now only one of them is selected, and then I can go here and color it green, so it gets green. Now this one I want to make blue. I want to click it, I click it and see that it is selected individually. Once I am done with that, I can get it colored blue. So this everything is done. I may close this window, and then I close somewhere outside this, and once I click outside, I am back to my original output editor of SPSS. Now suppose you want to copy this and put it in some report. So if you want to do this, you just right click, and then there is a copy as image. So you better take copy as image. So if this gets selected as an image, and then you may go to your word processor or wherever you are writing it, the report, and then just click it to get this photograph, this graph as a picture pasted in your report, and then in the usual way you can increase and decrease the size of this, whichever place you want to do. So this much is about how to draw a bar diagram or a bar chart. Now let us look at the clustered bar chart. For clustered bar chart, I want to see the same things, that is business graduate, engineering graduate and general graduate, but this time I want to get it classified as males and females. So that is the clustered bar chart. Means within the category there is once again a clustering. So we close this window. It tells me, do you want to save these changes? No. If you want to save, you save. Let me close it. Go to SPSS. Come here. We are in SPSS now. Now I want to see I want to come to graphs. Then I want go to legacy dialogues. Then I go to bar. But this time instead of selecting simple bar, I go and select clustered bar chart, and then we go and click on define. So here you see there is an additional defined clustered by. So categorical axis, I take the education level, I click and drag it. Okay, I select it and press it, so it comes here, educational level. And then clustered by, that one is gender, because each of the educational level once again will be divided by gender. And if you want to percentage of cases, you may click here. If you don't want percentage of cases, generally we are interested in frequency. And then we click on OK. And in the output window now you see you get the male and female. So here you get a legend also, male and female. And here you want to, you get this blue color representing female and red representing male. If you want to see the value levels, that is the frequencies, you just click it here. And then once again it will open in the chart editor window, and once it opens in the chart editor window, you can click in this particular value levels, and then you see you get the value levels over here. You can also along with this count, if you want to see the percentage now in the graph, just you can you see in this particular small window there is a percentage written here. So just you select this percentage and click on this top arrow and then apply. And then you will find that they are also showing you the percentage. 7 is the frequency, 17.95 is the percentage of female business graduates out of the total, all the graduates, business graduates, engineering graduates, general graduates. Out of the all 39, this is representing 17%. So which one is maximum? This is maximum, having 9, that is 23.8%. So this way you can do, and now you click anywhere outside this window and you see this change is coming in the main output window of SPSS. So this much is good enough for today. Thanks for watching the channel, and please keep on subscribing. Tell your colleagues, friends, students, peer group about this particular channel and encourage them to subscribe it. Thanks once again.